Alright, we are here at the O&M Eller building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. And inside here, we got some 1971 vintage Otis modernized with Series 2 fixtures. Take a still picture. Alright, let's go down. Down doesn't work. The cab looks like it's been redone. 12. It's your Otis. Here we are at 12. Coming down?
Yes. 7, please.
I'm an elevator enthusiast, if you're knowing.
Oh, cool.
That right there is your original indicator. There's your original Otis nameplate. Have a great day.
You too.
It's a nice elevator. These are your fixtures. Here we are at 1. Oh, I love that chime. I'm going to try to sample that chime and then we'll ride the freight elevator over there. Oh, it just left. Alright, we'll go ride the freight elevator. Oh, the buttons are so high up. Here comes the freight elevator. Bell doesn't work. Oh, I just saw that classic Otis leveling. Go to B. Try to open up this side. That's the original indicator. I can see why the down doesn't work. The passenger elevators don't serve this floor. 13's lock. 12. That doesn't work either. This one's slower than the passenger. I'm gonna go outside and sample the bell chime on the outside. Sorry I bumped the camera. Hopefully this thing doesn't go anywhere. Awesome. Alright, we'll go back down to 1. We'll end it there. Oh, it's going up. There we go. Cab is similar to the passengers. I mean, the shape, the walls are different, but the cab shape is. I mean, the walls are the same, but the cab shape is different. These are your modernized Otis Series 2 fixtures, ADA foam. Interesting, it's got a 2-speed door in the back, but a center opening on the front. love that classic Otis leveling. Watch the back door close. There goes the back door. And there goes the front door. There they go. Let's see if we can sample the chime on here. Alright, that's it.